Welcome. This video explains some background information about cookies and their threats and how they can be managed with MAXA Cookie Manager. Cookies allow a website to save information on your computer. Together with the site's content, they can send any additional information they want to be saved on your computer. When you visit the site later again, previously stored information is automatically sent back to the site, which allows it to recognize you. Cookies can be a useful tool, as they allow websites to remember your login data or other preferences you made. However, they are a threat to your privacy. Cookies used by large ad networks allow you to find out which sites you are looking at, which products you may be interested in, and create a profile of your browsing habits. Deleting cookies within the browser used to help by the cost of maybe losing useful cookies. However, new kinds of cookies have emerged, browser-independent cookies. Their most widespread variant are the Flash cookies, as the Flash Player software is installed on almost all machines. Let's look at an example. Here's a YouTube video opened in Internet Explorer. We'll set the volume to a specific value, close the tab, and delete the cookies. We switch to Firefox and confirm no cookies are there. However, when we open the same video in Firefox, you can see that the volume has the same level as it had in Internet Explorer. How is this possible? Well, a Flash cookie has been set. This is a cookie that resides outside of the browser's cookie cache and lives on your PC. And you know what's worse? They never expire. All information a website can learn about you and your browsing habits can be linked together with the help of these cookies. So, how do you maintain your privacy? We want to introduce you to MAXA Cookie Manager. Unlike other cookie tools and internet cleanup suites, which can only show you what is in the browser's own cookie cache, MAXA Cookie Manager displays cookies of all types, including these insidious browser-independent cookies. We can select a cookie and perform different actions with it. Here's the YouTube cookie we saw before. It's highlighted in yellow and it's new. It's a Flash cookie and it never expires. If we take a look at its contents, we can see that the volume level is saved. Cookie Manager would consider this cookie to be a good cookie, as it only provides a useful tool. We can add it to our whitelist. This means it will never be deleted. But remember that a lot of cookies are solely used to track your movements on the web. Cookie Manager helps you to recognize those cookies, known as web bugs. By default, a warning is shown when web bugs are found. It allows you to delete them immediately or even block them. We'll look at blocking later. For now, let's keep the web bugs and look at the evaluation function. This function will classify the cookies into web bugs red, suspect cookies yellow, and others green. In addition, it will highlight whitelisted cookies in white. Depending on their color evaluation, cookies can automatically be deleted. Let's open the program's settings, go to the tab named Automatic Deletion, and see the options available. To delete, for example, all web bugs and yellow cookies, we simply choose yellow. If we had established a whitelist containing all sites from which we want to keep cookies, we also could select to delete all cookies except those in the whitelist. Similarly, there's the possibility to blacklist some websites explicitly. If we don't want to have any traffic to this cookie at all, we can add it to the blocked domains, which means no connection to that website will be allowed at all. This is especially a good way to handle tracking cookies. But if you still want to look at the page that set the cookie, use only the cookie block. Cookie Manager provides many more features that cannot be covered in this video. For more detailed information on all of Cookie Manager's features, please consult the help file. Cookie Manager is available as free standard version. For automatic cookie handling capabilities, the Pro version can be purchased from our website. Download MAXA Cookie Manager Standard now and have a look at the cookies on your computer. You will be surprised how many have accumulated. Thank you for watching.